Channel once again. In this video, we're going to quickly discuss how to link or connect your B network with Metamask. Okay, I'm going to guide you step-by-step process to do this. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end, and if it's the first time you're coming to my channel, consider subscribing. With no doubt, last time we discussed about a contract address, and I believe almost everyone have gotten it, so we don't need to talk much about that. In order to link your B network to Metamask or any wallet, there are step-by-step guides to do this. First of all, if we come over to home section now, as you can see, we're going to come over to this option, which is setting. After coming to setting, we're going to scroll down a little bit. When we comes to account and security, we're going to see this option, which is wallet. And here, if you click on bind now, you are going to see Metamask. But before we do this, what you are going to do first is this. You are going to go over to your Metamask. Okay. As you can see, this is my Metamask here. The next thing you are going to do is this. You'll have to come over to the wallet option here, which is account. As you can see, I'm on account 1, and that is the only account I have. So after clicking on it, you are going to click on add account or hardware. So when you clicked on it, you see this option, which is Ethereum account. So you are going to click on Ethereum, and maybe I can name it as account 4. Okay. So after naming it account 4, any kind of name you want, you can see your secret recovery phrase here. You can go and keep it somewhere. You copy it and save it somewhere, so that anytime you lose your account, you can easily get access to it back. Okay. But for the purpose of this video, I'll just go ahead. Then I'll click on add. And as you can see, we have created our account successfully. Okay. If you come over to this place, you can see that we have account 4 here. And when we click on it, it have showed up. The next thing you're going to do now is to come over to this place, which is setting at the bottom of the screen. Then you are going to click on security and privacy. After clicking on security and privacy, you will see this option, which is review a secret recovery phrase. Okay. So we're going to click on that, and you select the account. Okay. So we have a secret recovery phrase 1 and 2. So we're going to click on the first one, and we'll go to the account we just created, which is account 4. Okay. So after clicking on account 4, we're going to click on get started. To review your secret recovery phrase, you need to correctly answer 2 questions. Okay. So here are the questions. So you click on the first question and you answer. Then you click on continue to the second question. So as you can see, you have answered 2 of the questions. And right here, in order to open your secret recovery phrase, you have to enter your password. Okay. So as you can see right here, this is the code. For the purpose of the security, I would like to cover the face. Then you click on copy option, which is copy to clipboard, and you are done with this. So the next thing you're going to do now is to go back to your B network. When you are back on your B network, the next thing you're going to do is to come over to the wallet. Then you are going to click on this small arrow there. Then you are going to select any wallet, or you can click on add new wallet. Okay. So after clicking on add new wallet, the next thing you are going to do is this. Enter your PIN or your code, and as you can see, we have created the new wallet. So this is the new wallet we just created, right? So we're going to click on that wallet, and as you can see, it says export private key. You are going to export the private key also. So as you can see, this is the key phrase for the account 5 we just open. So we are going to click on copy, and as you can see, we have copied the private key. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go back. Okay. So we're going to come back home. We're going to click on setting. Then we scroll down. You're going to click on account and security. Then here we're going to click on wallet. Okay. So you click on bind now. Then you are going to click on this, which is Metamask. There are 2 options, Trust Wallet or Metamask, but I will go ahead to click on Metamask. So after clicking on Metamask, guys, it will redirect us to the Metamask app. We'll wait for it to open. All right, guys. Okay, so here we are now. So the next thing we're going to do now, you can see we are on the account 4 we just created, and you see this option, which is connect. Then you are going to go ahead and tap on connect. Okay, and as you can see, permission updated. and successfully we have connected, and he say please sign the message in the wallet app. So we're going to click on sign now. Okay, so just wait for it, and we're going to click on this, which is confirm. We are confirming that we are binding MetaMask to our B network, and as you can see successfully we have binded the app to the MetaMask. So the question is, why did we recover the key phrase? So that if you lost the access to the key, you can easily recover it back, or you can easily recover the wallet back using the key phrase you save somewhere. You have to keep them in somewhere very safe, so that anytime you lost access to any of the accounts, you'll be able to recover it back quickly. And for those of us that are concerned about the listing date of the airdrop, particularly, we don't know the exact listing date of the B network. However, everything are ongoing smoothly. And if we go to Twitter now, so we're going to come over to click on the B network account. Then here we're going to click on this, and guys, as you can see, they are from Hong Kong, that is China. That is, the owner of B Network official are from China. You have to take note of that. That is number one. And secondly, regarding the listing and other things, you can see they are updating us, but no any particular update related to the listing. Well, this particular one says updating list, tell me if you are in, all this thing, but no specific date yet. But we'll keep you updating whenever there is particular information regarding listing. And this is what we have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.